I'm a very big fan of Mediterranean kitchen. Now, today's recipe is inspired by different countries put together in one plate, and I hope you enjoy watching this video because it's going to be interesting. Stay tuned and let's cook. Now, we will start with all the amazing spices to marinate our lamb chops. First, I have paprika powder, I have garlic powder, and peppercorn, black peppercorn. I have cumin powder and coriander powder. These are two different spices. They just look alike, but it is two different things. Again, I have my mint leaf. Now you can go for dry mint leaf if that's what you have. And then I also have my rock salt. Small amount of rock salt would do. You want to go ahead, use whatever suitable to crush all the spices. Before we continue, I would say a very big thank you to my returning subscribers. You guys are the best. If this is your first time here, my name is Annie Krieger. Thank you so much for watching. If you love what you're seeing, please stick around. Check out my channel for more recipes. You want to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Don't forget to hit the notification bell just to be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing so. Now, to your well cleaned lamb chops, you will add in the crushed spices, add in some olive oil or any oil of your choice. Go ahead and generously marinate everything. Cover it up with some plastic foil and let it rest for at least 1 hour. If you have the time, overnight will be better. If not, 1 hour should be there. Okay, guys, this is it. If I say I love Mediterranean cuisine, I mean it, guys. I love Greek cuisine, Italian cuisine, and Turkish cuisine. Now, today, all these places are brought together, their tastes are brought together in a plate in my kitchen. So, here I have my dried canned tomatoes or glass tomatoes, sorry to say. You know what I mean? So, you will add that to a blender. To that blender, I added some rocks salt. I don't know how to explain this, but please try to just pick everything you see on the screen, guys, because this recipe is like I needed to put it into a video and just save it here because I loved everyone. The outcome was just superb. Now, arugula salad. I would direct this sauce to Italy. Okay, Italy also have Mediterranean cuisine. So I was in a restaurant with a friend. We had a meal, but there was something special about this meal. So I told a girlfriend I was going to create this recipe, like something special with arugula salad. I don't know how I will come up with it, but I was just focusing on one taste, which is umami taste. So I had to add this arugula salad because it has that powerful flavor that comes with it. So you will go ahead and chop your arugula salad, finely chopped fresh arugula salad. Set it aside for now. Our blended dried tomato will also set that aside. But first adding some chili flakes to the blended dried tomato, just small amount of it if you can take any. Add it and set aside. Now it is time to heat that sauce up. It is more like a pesto, but it is not pesto. Now, adding that sauce to a pot, we want to try to create something special, a powerful flavor out of it. So I added some brown sugar. I added some black balsamico uh, to the sauce, and I added some soy sauce. Okay, guys, I didn't know what I was doing, but I needed to make this recipe because, like I said, I needed a specific taste. Now, after adding those few ingredients to it, stir everything. You just want to let it heat up a little bit and set aside. Now you want to get a pan, spray in just small amount of oil and introduce your marinated lamb chops. Please trust me on this recipe once again, guys. Now this was when I got my oven newly. I didn't know how this induction head tops works or heat up very fast. So before I know it, boom, this is what I have. My lamb chops was going already, but it's okay. It wasn't burnt. turned out very well, perfectly well. Not like perfectly like I wanted it. I wanted that beautiful looking brown uh lamb chops, but this was what I got. Okay, this is what I want versus what I got. On the other side, well, it tasted. It's because of the spices. It's not like it was burnt, but the spices that was on it. Okay, so I hope you get it. Now you want to do that and then transfer to a hair fryer, or you can as well use your oven to generously completely cook to well or slowly cook to well. Not on high heat. You want to have it soft and juicy. So just put your oven on a very low heat. About 90 degree is just perfect. C, 90 degrees C. Okay, it's perfect until you are done with every other product, and then you can serve your lamb chops. It shouldn't be overcooked. I continued with the other part, and here we go. I'll bring this to an air fryer and let it finish up there for some minutes. Pour in all the excess marinade in your lamb chops. And let me use this time to say thank you so much for still watching. I truly appreciate you guys. I hope you like what you're seeing. Please don't forget to like this video if you haven't already done so. Thank you so much. Now, coming back to our sauce, the special sauce, I went in with the arugula salad at this point. You want to bring the arugula salad at the end, okay? And that's it, guys. You can add in small amount of water just to loosen it up or to give you another consistency, just like as you see on the screen, okay? It is time to plate. Now, what we have achieved here is a well marinated, juicy lamb chops with our powerful flavored umami arugula sauce. All these are not complete without the perfect side dish to eat. Now, my tips is some grilled zucchini and grilled kohlrabi. You can go for any veggie of your choice. And here I have the perfect rice to eat. You can go for polenta, but I visited some Turkish restaurants in one of my holiday, and this rice was served with some lamb. I promised myself I was going to make this rice. After years, I came back and prepared this Turkish rice, and it turned out super delicious. Everything paired together here is top notch. It tasted fantastic, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to hit the like button. Leave your opinion in the comment section. Will you be trying this recipe out? And share with your loved ones, guys. See you all in my next one. Bye for now.